Saturn, long known as the Lord of the Rings of the solar system, never ceases to fascinate astronomers. It has also revealed itself as the planet with the highest number of known natural satellites. Already holding the record with over 146 moons, a recent discovery has radically changed the situation. As many as 128 new satellites have been identified, bringing the total to an astonishing 274. But how is such a surprising discovery possible? And what does this new revelation tell us about the history and evolution of our solar system? Let's delve deeper into these mysteries, trying to understand how these extraordinary numbers were reached and what implications they might have for our study of the universe. The history of the discovery of Saturn's moons is long and fascinating, dating back to the 17th century. The first of Saturn's satellites to be identified was Titan, observed on March 25, 1655, by the Danish astronomer Christian Huygens. Titan immediately proved to be an extraordinary celestial body, not only because of its size, which exceeds that of Mercury, but also due to its dense, nitrogen-rich atmosphere. This satellite stands out for the presence of lakes and rivers of liquid methane on its surface, an environment that could provide crucial clues about prebiotic chemistry, bringing us closer to the mystery of the origin of life. Later, between 1671 and 1684, another great name in science, Giovanni Domenico Cassini, discovered 4 more of Saturn's satellites: Tethys, Dione, Rhea, and Iapetus. In the 19th century, thanks to advancements in astronomical techniques, additional moons were identified by astronomers such as William Herschel, who discovered Enceladus and Mimas, and William Lassell, who found Hyperion. William Pickering also contributed to these discoveries, identifying Phoebe, an irregularly shaped moon with a dark color and a probable cometary origin. In the 20th century, the Voyager missions and the Cassini-Huygens probe significantly expanded our understanding of Saturn's system, bringing the number of known moons to 18 by the start of the new millennium. As observational technology progressed, astronomers and scientists continued to discover new satellites, leading to the numbers we know today and fundamentally changing our concept of what constitutes a moon. Most of Saturn's newly identified satellites were discovered through research conducted at the Mauna Kea Observatory in Hawaii. Astronomer Scott Sheppard, already well known for his numerous discoveries of trans-Neptunian objects and irregular moons, contributed to the identification of 45 new satellites using the Subaru telescope. However, the bulk of the discovery is credited to another research team led by Edward Ashton. Between 2019 and 2021, the group used the Canada-France-Hawaii Telescope, CFHT, to identify as many as 128 new celestial bodies, an achievement that has revolutionized our knowledge of Saturn's moons. These discoveries have not only greatly expanded the number of known moons, but have also provided crucial insights into the formation and evolution of Saturn's system. Irregular moons in particular may be remnants of ancient celestial bodies that were destroyed due to violent collisions or Saturn's gravitational pull. Their presence suggests that Saturn's system has been a dynamic and continuously evolving environment since its early days. To identify these satellites, astronomers have adopted an innovative and sophisticated technique called stacking. This method involves combining multiple images of the same region of the sky, overlaying the signals of moving objects to improve their visibility. An evolution of this technique, known as shift and stack, allows tracking the motion of a satellite relative to Saturn, enabling the detection of very small objects, even those with diameters smaller than 2.5 kilometers. Without these advanced observational techniques, many of Saturn's new satellites would have remained invisible due to their faint luminosity and the complexity of their orbits. In fact, the newly discovered moons are extremely small and move along highly eccentric orbits, sometimes retrograde and tilted relative to the planet's equatorial plane, making their detection even more challenging without such techniques. When we think of natural satellites, we usually imagine massive bodies like our moon or Titan, which dominate the skies of their parent planets. However, the definition of moon does not necessarily imply large size or extraordinary characteristics. The newly discovered satellites fall into the category of irregular moons, small celestial bodies with chaotic and unstable orbits that may be remnants of asteroids captured by Saturn's gravity billions of years ago. Many of these satellites exhibit characteristics suggesting a common origin. For instance, groups of moons following similar orbits could be the result of an ancient collision that shattered a larger celestial body. This aspect makes Saturn's newly discovered moons extremely interesting to astronomers, as they offer valuable insights into the history and evolution of the solar system, particularly regarding the processes of celestial body formation and destruction. With 274 confirmed moons, Saturn is undoubtedly the planet with the highest number of natural satellites in the solar system, far surpassing Jupiter, which currently has about 95 known moons. This discovery reinforces the idea that Saturn is a highly dynamic environment with a long history of satellite acquisitions and losses, likely caused by collision events or continuous gravitational interactions with other celestial bodies. Although it is unlikely that Jupiter will regain the title from Saturn anytime soon, future observations may still hold surprises. With improvements in observational technology and the use of increasingly powerful space telescopes, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, new discoveries could once again reshape our understanding of planetary systems, revealing details we cannot even imagine at present. Ultimately, the study of Saturn's moons is not just a competition to determine which planet has the most satellites. It is much more than that. It is a window through which we can observe the history and evolution of our solar system, understanding how planets and their satellites have changed over billions of years. Every new discovery, every new moon, provides us with crucial information and raises new questions about the nature of our universe. With each advancement in research, we have the opportunity to deepen our understanding not only of Saturn, but also of the origins and future of our own corner of the cosmos. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos.